Today it's a fun day. Today we're opening my Tokyo Kawaii Club mailer. It's actually the last one I'm having. I've had 3 now, so I'm going to give a full review at the end. But let's see what I've got this month. Join me the other side of the intro. Hit it, maestro! Excited, you ready for this? I so love this. I so love this. But I decided I was going to do 3 of these and give my review at the end. I've done 2 so far, and if you've not watched them, go and watch them. I'll link them down below in the description. So then, this only came this morning. It did. The other one I had at the corner for how many weeks, but this one came this morning. So let's have a look. Right, so I have got my one big bag which says Happy Celebration, and you've got the playtime on the back of the Pixar bag. So I think they have really lovely carriers. I wonder if they have to pay for carriers like we do in England. I wonder. Right, what have we got in here? Right, so we've got the 2 bags. So we've got Chip and Dale that's turned into their bear form. And then we've also got the Parker Disney Sea bag. But I've also got a separate item, which was loose. So this looks like a folder. Oh, that's really nice. That's actually a really nice folder. So there you go. So it's a Happy Celebration. And then inside you open it up. That's a really nice folder. Now that's useful. And it says on there, dreams can take you anywhere. So I really like that, and I will use that. So that's really useful. So that's a win-win. Now, who was it that I saw open these? I can't remember. Was it you, Beth? But I've got some sweets. And I love food bits. So you got Mickey and Minnie on there. And these are good up until the 19th of April. Oh no! No, I've got that wrong. It's the, I think it must be the date they're made. Is that the date they're made? Well, there's a date like that. Is that the date they're made, or is that's not the expiry date, is it? It must be the date they're made. So I'd love to be able to understand. But can I rip it? Yes, you can rip it. Right, let's rip it open, see what I've got. Last night, I have to say, in bed, I've still got some of those toffee-like caramel things left from the first one, and I might have had 3 in bed last night, sucking on them. They were really nice. Oh, these are really cute. Oh, they're like little snacks. So can you see all the little snacks inside? Oh, those wonderful. You know I'm dieting, but if I'm on camera, it doesn't count, does it? Shall we try one? I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is. It's like... Ooh. You know, if you're at a bar and you either have nuts or you have like little nibbles, it's like one of those. Try a green one. I don't know what this is. I actually quite like this. It's different, but I like this. So yeah, I'm really pleased. So far we got 2 winners. What else we got? I don't know what this is. Is it it's like a little tea towel. A little face cloth. I like a little face cloth. So that's really useful. I won't use it as a face cloth. I don't use face cloths, but I could maybe use it as like a kitchen cloth or something like that. So that's usable. So that's another good item. Oh, and then we've got the notepad. So let's have a look at that. See, now I really like this as well. This, can you see, it's all different stationery, all different. Let's see, I really like that as well. That's fabulous. So far, everything is a winner. Right, so we'll go to the Disney store bag now, see what's in here. Oh, we've got a little Rapunzel bag, little pouch. So for those of us that have got lots of camera equipment, things like this, they're always useful because you can put your phone chargers, anything like that in, just to keep it safe when we're packing. So that will actually come in really handy on my trips. And then the last object, oh, see, this is really good as well. So it's an egg shaper, so you can do eggs, and I don't know what that is, but it's like I'm sure I might have one similar from Magic Kingdom, so that's a really lovely item. So that's a really lovely item. So everything I've got was fabulous. I really like that. I really like that. So I think this bag was absolutely fabulous. This, by any stretch of the imagination, was the best mailer that I've had out of the 3. 100% the best mailer. What I had done is I had gone back into my preferences and updated them. So maybe that helped. You need to tell the companies what it is you actually want. So I did that. The first one I was happy with, but it didn't sort of wow me. Whereas this one, you know, it's quite a wow factor. This is a really good mailer, this one. But the second one I was bitterly disappointed in, and I did contact him. And he did refund my money on that one because I was bitterly disappointed. I didn't think it was a good value mailer at all. And it was, I had a lot of comments where people thought it was more for a younger person, so sort of like a child. So for me, that was a really big disappointment. But this one is fantastic. And if it was that I was going to continue with the mailing service, if they were all like this, then fantastic. But for me, the reason I haven't is I wanted to try it and I wanted to see what it was like, because I see everyone else doing it and I wondered how I would feel. And for me, it's a fantastic way of getting a taste of the Japan parks to us, either in England, in America, wherever you live. And it's a fantastic way. But what I've decided to do, and I'm hoping it works, is I'm trying a personal shopper. And so instead, I'm choosing off their site the items I'd like, and they're going to be mailing them to me once a month. And I mean, this one I've got a bit crazy. I have gone a bit crazy. First time you do, don't you? Because you want everything on the list. Not too crazy, but a little bit crazy. I spent more than I'd spend on this. And so what I want to do going forward is, these mailers are $50. So I want to spend $50, no more, but sort of see what sort of products I can get that way. So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to try that because I love the products over in Japan. And I'm even thinking of maybe doing something similar with Hong Kong products, chatting up my friends over there and see if they could do me a mystery box. So that's something else I've got in my head. So whenever you've got the opportunity of getting a mailer, it's not always your only opportunity. There's other ways of doing it. It's what suits you. And for me, I'm a bit of a control freak and I like to know exactly what I'm getting and that I'm going to get value for it. So that's what I've decided to do. But this one is most definitely the best out of the 3. So I hope you understand. If you haven't watched last month's, go and watch it, and then maybe you'll understand where I'm coming from. But it was always only going to be for 3 months anyway. I decided I wanted to do it and give it a review and see how I felt. But yeah, so we started off okay. The middle one, no, no. And then this one was fantastic. So I suppose with anything, if someone else is choosing something for you, it's really hard, isn't it? So that's why I want to go down the route of choosing my own things, because that way then I won't be disappointed, and I'll use what I choose. But that was a fantastic mailer, really thrilled. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you get one of these, I hope you get all of that, because that's really good. Those snacks are really nice. So thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you really soon. Bye everyone, bye.